What's up, everybody? Bill from HoloModels RC. I've got my 3D printed A-4 Skyhawk. This one's printed with ColorFabb 0.40 wall width. I'll leave a link in the description to where you can find this model to download it on colts3d.com. This is my third flight. I had moved the CG back a little bit from the second flight that I just had. So I'll give it a shot like this. I've been playing with the CG, obviously. I do have a 64mm upgrade files for this coming out very soon. It comes with an elevator that's 125% bigger, so we'll see how that works out when we get to it. This has got a 50mm QX, I believe, in it. Not the best throw ever, that's okay. I do have a flat mix I like to use. I really like how this airplane flies with flaps on it. I've got an 1800 battery in there right now. I just turned my flaps on. It has removable refueling probes. I took them out for this flight. I took 8 out rather. I still have my flaps on. Flaps are off. Alright, so she's telling me I got 30 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and bring it in. I got flaps, mid-rate, full-rate flaps right there. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Bill from HoloModels RC. Please check my A-4 Skyhawk out in the description, and I'll talk at you later.